Hello everyone. In this video, we will walk through the complete step-by-step process of using Xilinx Vivado 2019.1 version is to design, simulate and implement digital circuits on an FPGA. I am Dr. A.Murali, working as Associate Professor in ECE department. Step-by-step digital design using Xilinx Vivado. Objective of this session is create and configure a new Vivado project, add Verilog and VHDL codes, run the simulations, synthesize and implement designs, generate bitstream, program the FPGA board. What is Vivado? Vivado is a powerful tool developed by Xilinx. It is used for digital circuit design on FPGAs. It replaces the older ISC design suite and offers features like a modern GUI, IP integration, block designs, and timing analysis. And also it supports both RTL based designs using Verilog or VHDL and block based design using IP integrator. What you will learn in this step-by-step tutorial, we will go through the following key stages: creating a new Vivado project, adding Verilog or VHDL design files, running simulation, synthesizing the design, implementing the design, generating a bitstream file, programming the FPGA. Before starting, ensure that everyone should install Vivado 2019.1 on your system. We have a basic understanding of digital logic and Verilog or VHDL. We have installed the required device support files for our FPGA board if you plan to run on hardware. Let's begin. Creating a new project. Let's start by launching Vivado 2019.1 from the welcome screen. Click the create a new project. Here you go to file menu, project and click on new. Here click on the next. Here we have to give project name. So here I am giving full ladder. Project name is full ladder. And also working directory, then click on next. Choose RTL project and check the box that says do not specify sources at this time. We will add files later. Click next. Here select your target FPGA. For example, I am selecting RTX 7. Here FTZ 256. Device is this one. And click on next. Then finish. Adding design files. Go to project manager. Click on add sources. Here choose add or create design sources and next. Here you can either browse to existing files or create a new Verilog file, then finish. So creating file, so here I am giving full adder, click on next, then finish, then OK. So go to here, this is your file name, double click on the file name, so it here it will show. So delete this. Here I have already written code, so for time saving I am directly copy paste my code. This is my code, model full adder, ABC, sum and carry. I have declared input and outputs. Here I am using data flow modeling. So assign S equal to the logic function is A XOR B XOR C, and assign carry out A and B or BC or AC. Then click on save. Now to test the design, we will create a simulation file. Here go to add sources. Now previously we selected add or create design sources. Now you can select add or create simulation sources. Next, create file, full adder underscore tb, and finish. Now another file is created. Here double click on here. So for test bench also I have written code.